Hello guys. Kumusta? Kumusta ang mga problems? Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Yun. So, any issues? Let us know sa chat kung may na-encounter kayong issues. And kung, yeah, any questions you have, then we'll answer them as soon as we see them. So, itong announcement na to, yun, parang review lang ng mga gagawin bukas.
Yep. And also, may mga clarifications about the rules. Right, so well, the first one is very important. Remember 9:30 to 2:30 yung round natin bukas. Don't be late. If you're late and you don't start the contest on time, it's your fault. Okay? So, para sure na maka-start kayo on time, please try to arrive or be ready 20 minutes before 9:30, so around 9:10 or so. Nandun na yung proctors nyo even earlier than that, so and they should be emailing around 30 minutes before. So you can, if you can, please do come in early, or not just if you can, I recommend that you come in early. There are some things na we clarified during the practice session, but in case you missed them, I'll repeat some of them here. Number one is spreadsheet software. So we got some question about this during the round. You're allowed to use spreadsheet software that is offline, meaning Excel, Microsoft Excel, or LibreOffice Calc, for example, is allowed. But Google Sheets is not allowed. Okay, I hope that's clear, and I hope you guys understand why it's not allowed. Alright. Okay. Okay, there's one concern from the proctor that they can't see your face because you have a virtual background, and then sometimes tinatakpan ng virtual background yung face niyo. Okay, so we didn't explicitly ban virtual backgrounds sa rules, but for tomorrow, para iwas problema, just temporarily turn off your virtual background. Please, ganun na lang. If you're concerned about your privacy, you can blur your background. I think there's an option to do that, right? Pero wag na kayo mag-virtual background kasi the virtual background might cover your face, and the proctor should be able to see your face to know that you're there and you're not suddenly missing. Okay. What else? Okay, there are some questions that I probably don't really need to repeat, but just in case someone missed them. Okay, let's do it. Multiple monitors, no, because that gives an unfair advantage. I think no one ended up using multiple monitors today anyway, so everyone should be able to compete with no problems with just one monitor. But if you have a very special reason why you need two monitors, you can message us. But the default is no, we should not have multiple monitors. Okay. This one was way earlier during the practice round. Maybe there's no problem about it during the round one, but let me just remind everyone in case. This is about IntelliSense and built-in snippets and build scripts. Okay, so the principle we follow is if some other contestant installed the same software that you have, but do not have the same code that you have, Meaning when you installed your software, you probably made some customizations, added some code, whatever. If some other contestant installed the same software but didn't do those extra steps, and the thing that you want to do with your IDE would not be possible on their machine, then that's not allowed. Right? You can't prepare that in advance. So for example, if you load some custom compilation script in your IDE, that's not allowed. If you load some custom snippets, for example, you press some hotkeys and it will automatically insert int main or something like that, not allowed. Okay? If you set it up during the contest itself, you spend some contest time to do that, you know how to do it during the contest without looking at Stack Overflow, external references, whatever, it's fine. Okay, but preparing such tools before the contest and then going to the contest with them, that's not fair. Alright? Okay. Let's see. Meron bang questions from the contestants? Anything you guys want to have addressed?
So tomorrow schedule after the contest is the debriefing, right?
Right.
30.
So,
Okay, ano oras yun?
may
3.
lunch break sila for 1 hour and then 3:30 is contest debriefing, tapos tuloy-tuloy na final round. Closing ceremony, right? Yeah. Nasa schedules naman nila. Alright, so tomorrow morning wala nang opening ceremony. Just go straight to your Google Meet with your proctor at 9:10. Right, so 9:30 magsa-start, but please be ready around 20 minutes in advance. Okay?
Okay. So, yun.
Wala namang concerns. I think they're mostly discussing the problems with other contestants. Yun ang concern talaga nila. They're probably okay with these rules.
Is it okay though?
Ayaw gumana ng Python 3 sa CMD, pero gumagana ng Python. Yes! Okay, so yung nakasulat dun sa testing tool, interactive runner, earlier, that's just a sample command that you will use to run the tool. Tapos nakasulat dun sa problem, diba? You can replace Python 3 with whatever command it is that you use to run Python normally in your computer. Kasi iba-iba eh. It just so happens that if you're in Windows, for example, you have to type Python. If you're on Linux or Mac, you type Python 3. And then actually it depends on how you installed Python exactly on your computer. It might be Python or Python 3. But the point is, yeah, you can use Python 3. Bawal ng Python 2. Okay, so just to be clear, it should not be Python 2. Python 2 is dead now. No one, wala siyang support, so we're moving away from Python 2. It should be Python 3, but the Python 3 installed in your machine might be invoked by Python and not Python 3, and that's okay. Basta use whatever command it is that you use to run Python 3 normally in your computer. Right? Okay, so yeah, may isa pang comment. You can also do py for other people. It's different depending on how you install Python. It should be whatever command you use to run Python, and then say Python interactive runner, and then Python again, testing tool, input, and then dash dash, and then the thing, your program. Okay? Basta napagana nyo, okay na yun. Hindi naman i-judge yung pag-run nyo ng interactive runner on your local machine. The interactive runner is just for you to help you test locally, right? If you don't want to use it, actually pwede nga eh. If you know how to test your own program manually, you're at a disadvantage, but that's allowed, right? So the testing tool is there to help you actually. And if it runs properly, napagana nyo naman, you successfully use it to test your own programs locally, that's fine. It's up to you whatever command you use to run it.
Okay, So if there are no more questions, that's it for day one. See you tomorrow, day two. Rest well and kalimutan nyo na muna yung problems for today because you can still do better tomorrow.
Yeah,
So
pwede pong bumawi.
yeah. Medyo tight yung scoring natin actually. Medyo. No?
Medyo.
Yeah, so
We
there's lots
anything can happen.
Yeah, anything can happen pa dun sa
Okay.
Okay, so see you.
So kung wala nang questions, that's all for now. Kung may tanong pa kayo, you can always email or ask in Discord.
Yeah. Bye guys.
Bye.